with all your spontaneous pulmonary mechanics, minute volume has to come first. Okay, if you do your other ones, which takes some effort, the person's minute volume will be higher. So you start out with minute volume. And like it says, you're gonna measure the volume for 1 minute. At the same time this is measuring, you're gonna count the respiratory rate. And at the end, we're gonna do the minute volume formula. We're gonna solve for tidal volume. So by measuring this a minute, we're gonna get the minute volume, the respiratory rate, and calculate the tidal volume. Does that make sense? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this on so it starts measuring. I'm gonna hold my thumb on the reset button and I'm gonna say, okay, all I need you to do is put this in your mouth, hold your nose, and just breathe normally in and out. And I'm gonna time you for a minute, okay?
Do you want me to hold it?
No. Okay. And you just breathe, and when I'm ready, I'll start the clock. So what I did, when that minute was over, back to your filter. When the minute was over, I turned it off now so my hands can't move anymore. She breathed 10 times during this. And the reason I know I didn't really watch her chest, I watched how many times this rotated. Every time it rotated was a breath. So, everybody ready to do some calculations? Her minute volume is 11.24. Right, 11.24. Her respiratory rate was 10. What was her average tidal volume? Who's got an answer for me? Do what?
I got 1.124.
That's exactly right. 1.124 what?
Oh,
Liters. Okay, so here's the deal. When you're thinking about breathing, you don't know what normal is. And we breathe heavier. Plus that filter she has to breathe through causes a little bit of resistance, so she's working just a little bit harder, which is why that tidal volume's bigger. Does that make sense? You can go ahead and turn it off now.